Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how to go ahead and make a broad YouTube ad, and I'll actually be giving you guys my YouTube ad script. Like, this is the stuff that no one's talking about. You know how every guru is on YouTube ads? Every time you watch an e-commerce marketing entrepreneurial video, there's a YouTube pre-roll ad. No one's teaching you how to do that, and that's the exact thing we're going to go over on today's video. And every single day throughout the next few weeks, I'm going to reveal more and more secrets about YouTube advertising that no one is showing. Like, I'm basically exploiting and revealing what every guru is doing to sell you guys their course, their program through YouTube ads. I'm going to teach you guys how to do the exact same thing. This is not only applied to like a mentorship program, a course, information program. So you can do this with products, physical goods, clothing. YouTube ads is definitely the next wave, and I want to be the one that comes to YouTube and gives everyone away this knowledge for free. It's just like the first few channels that started revealing dropshipping knowledge. I want to be the first few that reveal every single thing I know about YouTube advertising, and that's why you guys should subscribe, because I'm just going to be giving away so much value. But before we get into today's video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, if you guys watch to the very end, we actually talk about the most important thing is a call to action. Like, when people run YouTube ads, they have no idea how to get the person off the ad onto a website, and we'll be going over that exact process. But let's get right into today's video. Broad YouTube ad script. So who should your broad YouTube advertisements be targeted to? They should be targeted to people within your niche that don't know about you. So they're knowledge about what you're talking about, but they just haven't heard of you or what you have to offer. Your ad would be roughly 3 to 6 minutes long. And what you plan to do and want to do within this ad is you want to basically introduce yourself, connect to that niche and that audience, and basically tell them about who you are and build that trust. You know, a lot of people say you want to get people to click through straight away on the YouTube ad, but that's a myth. Like, you don't want to be telling people, hey, stop, don't skip, click the link below if you guys want to learn about how to succeed in dropshipping. Like, you don't want to do that. You actually want them to watch through the whole video and get them to get indoctrinated into your story and what you have to offer. So ads that get people to click within the first 30 seconds is much weaker than ads that get you to watch the whole 5 to 6 minute video. They get to really know who you are. So when they do click on the link, they'll have a much higher chance to opt in. Whereas if you get someone to click in within the first 30 seconds, after they click onto your link, they're most likely just gonna exit. So one, you're gonna start by introducing yourself. Be like, hey, my name is Andy, the best online marketer in the world, and I'd like to share my story with you. A story about how I went from A to B. And then you could explain from A to B. You know, a story about how I went from constantly struggling to make online businesses to work to successfully generating 6 figures monthly in online sales. You want to speak directly to your niche. You want to write down a list of pain points and desires that your niche would have. You want to relate to the people in your niche and what they're currently going through. You want to talk about your past, you know, matching the niche's current situation. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, everyone that's watching how to get 6 packs type of videos are, you know, watching quick ways to hit 6 packs, or why I'm not losing weight, or how can I lose some more weight, quick ways to lose weight, stop my addiction to food. You want to talk about your past and how you went through that exact thing, because right now they're watching a YouTube video about that topic, and that's exactly what you went through, and you want to talk about that so it matches and you really resonate with the viewers. You know, back then I struggled with blah blah blah. When I first got started, I struggled to lose weight, blah blah blah. And you want to talk about how before you had this product or service that you're gonna sell to them, how your life was exactly just like theirs right now. For example, when I first got started with dropshipping, I was blowing thousands and thousands of dollars on Facebook ads and product testing. It was stressful, frustrating, and very uncertain. You want to basically get the person to react, be like, wow, that person gets me. I'm going through that exact same thing right now. You want to get them locked in and hooked to continue watching the video. 3, Hail Mary. This is the one last push. The story about how you kept on failing and you just sort of went all in and gave it that last push, and you succeeded. And that's sort of most success stories. So you're going to talk about how you were up against the wall and you had no choice but to give it one all-in push. I tried every single Facebook testing strategy coupled with every single product research strategy that every single guru was offering, but nothing was working. And I just felt like I wanted to just give up. And then, you talk about how my summer break was ending in 3 weeks. I did not want to waste another year of university, so I decided to persevere and give it that one last shot. See how that's very relatable? How I didn't just go from failure to success. I was put in this moment of high pressure where I was forced to succeed, and this is a very relatable story. 4, believable and realistic first wins. So then you want to talk about how you got that first small win. You don't want to go straight to, okay, I put in that one last push, I found my first win and I made 6 figures. That's not believable. You want something that's believable, that can resonate with people who haven't had success. You want to tell your story in a very honest and realistic way, where becoming successful was a slow but steady journey. So for example, I eventually started to put the pieces together, and slowly I was able to start testing products that were able to get 1 to 2 initial sales. I realized that you can use existing social data to see how well an ad is currently performing. So I started to test all the top performing ads based on the social data I was able to collect. And the crazy thing was, for the first time I was able to get 2 to 3 sales with one product. Before then I was struggling to get more than 1 sale on a few products that I tested. Now I was actually getting 2 to 3 sales on certain products I picked. That was crazy to me. Finally I was able to get a small taste of what a winner might be. I knew that this was a blueprint that I can duplicate over and over again. And this was the moment when it all changed. I finally started to get more and more consistent sales, and I can use social data to pick products. Then you want to talk about how you scaled that initial win to success. After I found products that could bring in 2 to 3 sales only, I duplicated this blueprint again and again and again, and shortly I found my first winner producing thousands of sales. I got to a point where I was getting my second, third and fourth winner. I was just getting more sales that I could handle. 6, you want to talk about after you found success, what your life looks like now. You want to talk about the niche's desires. The reason why they want to do e-commerce is because they want to be able to work at home and spend more time with their family. The reason why they want to lose weight is because they want to set a good example for their family members. You want to talk about how your niche's desired outcomes is what your life is like right now. You want to be like, currently I'm blah blah blah. As a result, I now can set a good example for my kids and make sure that they're all fit and they won't go through the same lifestyle that I had to push through. So you can say something like, fast forward today, I no longer need to rely on a 9 to 5 job that will lock me down for 90% of the year. I now travel the world visiting places such as Uluru, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Phuket, and many more, making a living off my laptop. And it is all because I persisted and kept trying to find a way to make drop shipping work. And I finally did. 7, call to action. Now you want to let them know what to do next and what they can expect. A lot of people just end the ad being like, if you're interested, click the link below. That's too vague. You want to give them information, make them feel very comfortable to click the link and that they'll know what to expect. So you want to say something like, if this is something that you're currently going through, I've prepared blah blah blah. If you finally want to find your first winning product, then I'd like to help you with blah blah blah. And what that blah 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 is, I have prepared for you a free PDF that will go over my exact formula. I'd like to help you with a free strategy session to go over your current situation. And then you want to end with how. You can do this by clicking the link either or on around this video, and it will send you to a page where you could sign up for the formula, sign up for the strategy session, sign up for the PDF. And I underline either or around is because then this ad becomes evergreen. Then you could use this ad on Facebook, Instagram, and it will apply to everything else if you say either on, because links on different platforms are different. Like on YouTube, the links are on the screen. On Facebook, it's below. On Instagram, it's below. Sometimes in certain platforms, the link might be above the ad within the ad copy. So that's why you want to say click the link either or on around this video. But yeah, that's the whole formula on how to go ahead and create a powerful YouTube ad. And I gave you guys a script on today's video. So hope you guys appreciate. Literally no one's giving away this information. Like, this is the stuff that people say for a course, and that's why you don't see it on YouTube, because if people revealed it on YouTube, how could they sell their YouTube ads course? And that's exactly why I'm just giving everything away, because I just want to give everyone the knowledge to go ahead and create their own successful YouTube ad. And all I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and support the channel. Like this video, and that's all I ask. Question of the day: when do you think you'll start running YouTube ads? Drop it in the comments below. As always, these slides completely for free in the description below. I know a lot of people like to, get a copy of my notes and PowerPoints. That's exactly why I give them away completely for free. So be sure to get them. Other than that, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate the time that you're putting into watching my daily videos. And I just want to say thank you. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.